If your windshield washer barely sprays, the little OEM plastic T-fitting may be the problem. So how do you fix this? Well, here is the simple brass upgrade that fixed mine on 2 vehicles. Is your windshield wiper fluid not spraying out at full speed and covering the entire windshield? Well, here's what it could be. You have these little jets right up here. Right here. This is on a Tacoma, but it is applicable to basically any car, right? These are all just standard washer fluid systems. Here is my washer tank, right? And you can trace your lines. The lines run out from the little motors from the washer tank. Mine comes up here, comes over here. Same on any car, right? So on these washer systems, you have these T-fittings. This one goes to the passenger nozzle. The other one over here goes to the driver's side. On the OEM vehicles, you typically have like a plastic fitting right here. Toyota does. It's just a little plastic T-fitting. They will fail over time. Failure could be just clogged up, internally breaking apart, corroding. You just don't know, but they do fail. What I did is, as I will show in the photo, you can buy a pretty sturdy brass T-fitting with barbed ends. And all you have to do is remove the OEM plastic thing carefully. You don't want to rip the hoses, because if your vehicle's older, these lines may become more fragile, brittle, but just be careful. Take off the stock failed OEM T-split and then go get these on, I hate to say Amazon, but it's a brass part. You could probably get it at a hardware store too. Take the brass fitting, replace the failed plastic fitting with these, and you have, like I said, barbed. Let me use my new little flashlight here. Point right here. You have barbed fittings on the T, and you replace that, and you will see, as in the video, you get full pressure spray coverage on your windshield again. If you do not, then the second thing to check, if you did replace this and you're still having problems on the coverage and the pressure coming out, is maybe your motors in your windshield washer container pump. So odds are, in general, what I found on both vehicles, I have the 2012 Toyota Sequoia and this 2016 Toyota Tacoma, is it has been these OEM plastic fittings from Toyota, and likely any manufacturer, any car probably has the same problem. They probably get them from the same warehouse, the same factory, same manufacturer, and they all fail after a few years. There you go. Simple little fix, you can do it, and I'll put the link and a photo of what this little brass fitting is. And it seems to work. And then hopefully brass doesn't corrode over time. So there is a great solution to fix your windshield wiper spray issue. I'll see you in the next one. I am out. Take care.